Hey guys, what's up? Today we have a Jeep Patriot that we're gonna change the rear hub assembly, and this is the two-wheel drive, the front-wheel drive model. So if you have a front-wheel drive model, this is the way how to change your hub. It doesn't matter which side, left or right, it's gonna be the same procedure. And if you hear like this, I don't know if you can hear that roaring sound that comes from the hub bearing, so we're going to change that. Okay, so let's get started. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Let's get to work. So to take off the tire, it's going to be 19mm. You can use your lug tool that come with the vehicle, or you can get a 19mm. And also I will leave a link in the description for all the tools I use. So you just want to remove the tire. Tire is off. If you look closely, you can see that the drum and the hub is fused together from rust, so we're gonna need some WD-40 to spray it and let it soak. Okay, got the WD-40 right here. So where we're gonna spray right here, spray here, spray here. So we're just trying to spray in every hole that we can see, and spray around here also. Alright, so once that's done, you just wanna let it sit for a while. Then you wanna come with your hammer. You can hear it even more. So that means the hub is bad. Alright. Alright, so you want to get your hammer, try to knock around here. Alright, as you can see, I don't know if it's showing the video, but you can see that it jumped and now it's moving like that. And now we can just take our time and try to pull it even out to you, like this. Get it off like that. It's a lot of dust in here, so I'm going to spray it down with brake cleaner to clean it some. I know there's a lot of noise in the compressor running in the back, but see with me. So once that's clean, you can let that hair dry. And this hub assembly is not hard to change, so it shouldn't take you a long time to change it. So once you take off the drum, take off the wheelie, take off the brake drum, then you go on the other side and remove the 4 bolts that are holding it. Alright guys, so the next step is to remove the ABS sensor. It's gonna be 10mm right here, as you see. Just go ahead, remove that, and just twist it back and forth like this and pull back on it, and it will come out. All right, so that's what that should look like. And then the next step is to remove those 4 bolts, and those are the bolts that hold the hub in place. So guys, it use a 17mm to remove these 4 bolts. Come around this side, hold the hub and shake it off. The whole thing might come off, but you can hold it and it will, and you can take it off with ease. All right. There we go. You bring a bracket behind here, so make sure you put this back when you get the new one. I have the new one right here. Move this. Okay, so want to set it the same way you take it out, and also set your bracket the same way. And then you want to get either one or two of the bolts and catch them from the back. Just like that. Alright, so guys, we catch back all 4 bolts. The bracket is right here and they all in, so let's go ahead and tighten them up. This come with something different, so I'm going to be using the 10 millimeters to keep everything easy for you guys. Alright, so let's run them up. Alright guys, so this is the ABS sensor. It come with the metal plate on it. So now I'm like thinking if I should put the ABS sensor without the plate or with the plate. Because when it first come, it didn't come with the plate on it. So let's see what we do there. Alright guys, so I just realized my first mistake, so that's why I take it back loose, because the ABS sensor won't lock into place right here. I guess this part needs to be at the front right here. Okay, so where the ABS go, put it closer to the front. Alright guys, so as you see right here, I end up deciding to use the washer or spacer, whatever it may be. So I just put it over there like that, and then I just put this in here, bring that up, and then I will put the screw in. Alright guys, so as you see, if the ABS sensor is on this side over here, it will work, but if it's on this side over here, it won't work. So make sure when you're putting it together, you put it closer to the ABS sensor. So you want to make sure it's facing the front of the vehicle at all time. Okay, and then the next step is to put on the brake drum, which we're going to do right here. Once that is on, we're going to go ahead and put on the tire. So now that the tire is on, that's good. We can go ahead and put this on and tighten it up. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Support the channel with the link in the description. Help me help you. You just want to put on your tire. Alright guys, so you can hear the difference. So you can hear the difference with the bad bearings and this with the good bearings. Alright guys, peace out. See you next time. Like, comment, share and subscribe.